Und zuerst haben wir Violet. Das ist Deutsch? Violet?
Lila.
Lila. Ja? Und dann ein bisschen Dinner. Dinner? Ja? Dinner. Dinner? Oh, bloody Germans. Ja?
Ja, oder Violett.
Ja, okay. Und a brush. Zuerst kein Thinking. No thinking. Yeah? Just doing. Anywhere. Not important. Create design later. So you can see that the paint is slippy. Yeah, this is important. So the background, so this moves quite easily. Yeah. So you can create designs with a brush. Yeah, so you can make a figure of 8. Yeah, you can make it squiggle here. This can be a background color and background design, yeah, or you can just take it all away. Yeah. So what we're going to do now is add some color for Emma. Emma likes pink and purple. Typical girly stuff, yeah? So we take a little bit of purple, pink, and we add a little bit of pink, yeah, to the zern. Oh, shocking, yeah? Just a little bit. And then I'm going to create a design with a finger. Ja? Met een vinger geht het hier draußen. Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
No,
You don't have to run or you can run it.
Yeah.
it's kind of neon.
Feel, yeah.
It will be.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you make a finger design. And what you do with your finger is you have paint on here and it moves the paint to the edge. You see? Yeah, not too much pressure.
And then put it on your face.
And then you put a little bit on the face. Then you can make a little bit of movement, not too fast. Remove the paint. Clean your brush. Turn your brush upside down. Lean on the machine and create a mark. Zuerst, was ist das? Large. Ja, und dann immer kleiner, immer kleiner. And then Zimzalabing, abracadabra. Yeah. And you have a design on the surface that creates the C. So if you went slow, you could go this way, and then you could go other way, and you could go this way, and then other way, and your pattern will go like this, and like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. At the moment, the pattern all goes the same way. Mach mal trocknen. So this is very expensive design. Yeah, no copying. Yeah, and this is painted it. Look, painted it. Yeah. So you make it dry, and then remove the color here. And remove the color here. So you create a frame. Yeah, does that make you understand? Yeah? I don't know what framing is in Deutsch. Framen. I have my translator over here. Yeah? My best friend, translator. Yeah? So you see now the pupil, the color is starting to change. You see more of the blue, less of the pink on the surface. So you can see the blau down here. Yeah. As the light reflects onto the surface. So you take your phone and put your phone alight. And I borrow your phone. Adam Dams you niet. Yeah. Here. You see the light? You see how it changes? When the light bounces, you see the blue more, and then the pink across the surface. Yeah, and it's drying all the time. So this will dry and create a skin onto the surface so you can see the light. Gracias. Oh, I speak Spanish as well, look, see? Yeah. So when it's dry, you can lacquer. At the moment, you can scratch it off, not protected. Yeah, when you lacquer, you protect. Yeah? Not too fast, or the paint moves. Protect the camera. You look for the wet look. It looks like it's wet. Now, see it? Auch mal trocknen. Ja. Mein Vater war in der Army und ich wohne in Deutschland für 13 Jahre. Warum wir sprechen ein bisschen Deutsch. Ja? Und ich bin ein Drechsler für 30 Jahre. Yeah? And before, cabinet maker, make furniture. What's cabinet maker? Make, yeah? That's my trade. My new trade is a Drechsler. Yeah? And now you see, poof, yeah, pop. No, no? Yes. There's 2 more coats. I don't like the colours. It's for Emma. Yeah? Not my colours, Emma's colours. Yeah? Emma chose this colour. Yeah? But the colour needs white. So I always use Escher, yeah, Ahorn, Birke, Birch, Birke, yeah, Beech, Bucha, yeah, Bika Bucha. That sounds like a dance. Bika Bucha. Yeah. So increase the revolutions a little bit. Yeah. Nice to have a small tool rest. Yeah. The tool rest that comes with the machine. It's a good tool rest, yeah, but a bit large, to be in the surface. So this is a new tool rest with a nice bar on the top there, which is nice support. Yeah, gives you nice movement on the turret. So I like the curve on here, so it floats easier on the surface. Yeah. Then you come round and you start to remove. Yeah. Fine. Take control. Take very small shaving off the surface. This is mainly paint. Yeah. Yeah. So you've got paint here. Yeah. Small amount of paint. Yeah. For the earring. Yeah. No. And then come find the cut. Remove, yeah, and shear cut. So you can see how the color is going into the ash. Yeah? So it's absorbed a little bit into the material. Up here less. So I go slightly deeper. So with my design, I like my design to float into the rest of the shape. Yeah, so not square, slightly curved, in, around and out. Yeah, so they move all the time, the shapes. Yeah, like my shape. Yeah? I make my shape like my shape, yeah? Yeah? And you can see now, clean finish. A little bit here once removing. But then I use different parts of the steel. I use this part here, right in the middle. Handle down nice and low, on the hip here. And then shear. Very, very fine shaving, coming off the surface. And the finish is clean. We'll take a bit of paper towel, test it's dry, very light touch onto the surface, a little bit of polish. So this is wood for resin, but this is from 600, 1200 grit and finer. So a very small amount onto the surface. My fingers are all beautiful color.
Pink. Terrible.
Terrible color. So a little bit on the surface. Bisschen schneller. Geht er hier. Und Burnish, auch nicht so heiß. Burnish. So, not shiny, shiny, not shiny. Yeah? It's important to the whole vision. Then we can take off the machine, because at the moment you can't see the proper color.
Jesus Christ.
Nice and fast. And now you can see the different colors through the surface. So when the light bounces, it changes all the time. On this piece of wood, it's a bit pretty for color, but the ash is nice inside. So I do both sides. So I show you something. Color, a bowl, and then on the other side is for hanging on the wall. So you hang it up. And you can put it onto here with a hook and hook it on the wall. So it becomes a decoration or it becomes useful. This is all part of double design on the piece of work. And again, if you've got good shape, it fits into good shape. So all I have to do now is turn the middle out. And I don't color the other side. We'll see what it looks like. So chucky, squeeze on, runs true. If it runs true, you've been quite accurate with the hold. Squeeze, and squeeze. Two rest in front, locks both ways. And the tool here points very slightly up to the center. So there's on center. Speed ratio. My speed 1400, 1300. That's kleine dish. So the shavings Yeah? Hold your hat open. I can if you want. Yeah? And the important thing is not to be powerful. You don't need power. Yeah, so if you do this, means you're too schnell. Yeah, let us ganz langsamer binden, support. The tool will do the job for you if you allow it to. Don't pick your nose. And this is a good trick. So reverse cut. You know, sometimes when you turn, you get this happen. Oh, yeah? Yeah, not now. Yeah, when you do a reverse cut, you've got something to support the tool. Yeah, then you can go in here, move, move, move. Always leave a step. Now you can have it in your tasche.
I think we took out after the have a new power.
So you see the tool bouncing? That's because the tool is getting blunt. Yeah, the tool is getting warmer. Yeah, there is a discoloration of the steel. Yeah, that's the first indication your tool is getting blunt. Yeah, that means you're going to push harder. If you're pushing harder, you're making the tool work. Yeah? If your tool is sharp, it will work. Yeah? So the tool will still cut, but you mustn't give it none of this. Yeah? So take your time. Yeah? But most wood turners want to get on with it, yes? Yeah, so go a bit faster with the revolutions. So we're now at 1700. You see the entrance? The entrance, the flute is closed, yeah, and then comes open. So that means how do you hold the tool? If you hold the tool like this, yeah, then you close. Right, so close, twist the wrist, find the sweet spot, open, find the cut. Always on the bevel, find the sweet spot. Always on the bevel. Again, you can see the finish of the tool, and I can feel the little bounce on the surface. So I change cutter.
Yes.
You can hear the difference. You can feel the difference, and when you remove the back of the steel, allows it to turn a tight curve, tighter radius. Yeah. So here, no contact, cut, 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 cut. No bevel. You see the lines here? Yeah, here. See the lines? Watch. Bevel in. Find the cut. There she is. Touch. Feel. Clean as a whistle. Yeah. When it's clean here, nichts so much schalen. Yeah. Schleifen, scratches. Yeah. Turning, no scratches. Yeah. It's better for here and better for here. Yeah. 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 Thank you very much for watching. Yeah. Mick Hambry out.